Are you looking for the best jumper cables in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best jumper cables that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Auto Jumper Cable 1 Gauge. Here is a heavy-duty jumper cable that is reliable and durable. This has super strong clamps on its end. It perfectly works fine in a low-temperature environment. Furthermore, this comes with a PVC insulation. Thus, it has high resistance against heat, electricity, and water. Moreover, it delivers great capacity with its 12 mm thick cable. The product has a capacity of 1200 amp. It is ideal to jumpstart 6 volts, 12 V, and 24 volts flat batteries. Moreover, it has 20 feet heavy-duty tangle-free cables. The cables have quick and efficient connections. Additionally, it has fully insulated metal clamps. It fits the top and side posts of the battery easily. Plus, it has a core of copper-clad aluminum. Hence, it has great durability and longevity. This heavy-duty jumper cable will go with you for a very long time. At number 4, exclusive roadside assistance booster cables. Using this heavy-duty jumper cable will assure you high-quality performance. It has a 400 amp capacity. Therefore, it supplies more power to start your dead batteries. Moreover, it has a 4-gauge cable. This assures you a thicker and stronger jumper cable. Thus, this jumper cable has an exceptional and powerful performance. Furthermore, it comes in a wide alligator jumper cable clamp. This allows you a secure clamp around any battery connection. In addition, the cable has a reach of 20 feet, therefore, you can easily connect to the battery of another vehicle. The product comes with a bonus emergency hammer seat belt cutter. It is for emergency situations. Lastly, this purchase comes with a durable bag. It is to keep the jumper cable free from damage and knots. At number 3, NoOne Heavy-Duty Booster Cables. This heavy-duty jumper cable comes with goggles, cleaning brush, gloves, and a carry bag on your purchase. Moreover, its 25 feet long cable allows easy and fast access. This jumper cable has a thick inner core. In addition, it has a capacity of 1000 amp and a 0-gauge cable. Thus, this jumper cable ensures fast and efficient electric connection. It has strong PVC-coated full copper clamps. This is for a shock-proof usage. Furthermore, the clamps have strong jagged teeth. Thus, it supplies a stronger grip to the battery connector. This heavy-duty jumper cable also has an S6 protector. It provides an alarm system when the cable's improperly connected. Hence, this makes sure that you are safely boosting your battery properly. At number 2, Pennzoil Heavy-Duty Jumper Kit. This simple and straightforward heavy-duty jumper cables has a thermoplastic rubber. Hence, this regulates high temperatures. The jumper cable comes with a carrying bag. It is for protection and easy storage. Plus, the cable has a length of 25 feet and are tangle-free. With this, it has easy cleanup. For that reason, this is a great tool to go with you any place you want to go. This jumper cable has a 4-gauge cable. Thus, it can easily jumpstart 12 volts dead batteries. The clamps of this jumper cable have full copper teeth. They stay attached to the battery connectors during use. In addition, the material also made its cables cold-resistant and flexible. Hence, this jumper cable will still be usable even in the most freezing conditions. At number 1, AUTOGEN Jumper Cables 1 Gauge. This heavy-duty jumper cable covers a length of 30 feet. The cable has a high-conductive copper-clad aluminum core. Moreover, it has a capacity of 900 amp with a 1-gauge cable. Thus, it can power heavy-duty vehicles. In addition, it has a tangle-free flexible cable. Hence, it stays flexible even at freezing temperatures. The jumper cable also has a 100% copper clamps. It has a unique nylon shield on clamp heads. Hence, it has drop and insulation protection. Moreover, the PVC-coated clamps have jagged teeth ends. Therefore, it has a secured hold on both side and top post of the battery. It also protects you from electric shocks. This purchase includes a durable carry bag and a bright LED light. Surely, it is a reliable heavy-duty jumper cable. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.